Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you the products that I use and the brushes that I use to get this finish to the skin. It's kind of matte slash, we do have highlighter going on. I do like a good highlighter, but I don't like looking wet or dewy per se. I like a matte kind of vibe. I have oily to combination skin, so in my center I like to be very, very matte. The rest I don't mind if there's a bit of a sheen, so I use different products to make sure that that stays, especially right now where I live. It is the middle of summer and it is extremely hot. Very, very, very hot where I live. I'm out in the country and out. Anyway, so if you want to know how I got my skin to look like this, the products that I use, the brush that I use is to achieve that, then please keep on watching. enjoyed that. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I'll get to it as soon as I can. If you have any product recommendations, I would love to know them as well. If they don't work for me, they might work for someone who is checking out the comment section. So anyway, I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video.